What year is this? 2016. 2016 Vulcan S. So Chad and I are gonna attempt to change out his exhaust.
Full exhaust system, yeah.
Yep. Full exhaust to
Two Brothers.
Brand new Two Brothers. There's a can right there. We're also going to add his Power Commander on it as well too. We've never done a Power Commander, but we have step and step with pictures. So we can do this. This won't be an issue.
Just like a wire holding clip. So.
Actually, it should be on one of the frames, like a flat piece, and it goes in two. It's probably going to be under the tank, like this.
Probably, but I wouldn't know where. So.
All right, so
worry about that later.
Sit this here. Tank is off. Hoses are disconnected. Now, I'm going to leave this actually with a connector for the fuel pump. So now we got to go into the electricals. Fun day. But we need to run the wiring up. The only place I see to run the wiring is we go ahead and remove this.
That's my C-clamp though.
And put, run the wires through here. That way we can do everything else pretty smooth. And it will sit there.
That's a good idea. But remember, we also have my ground wire that we're basically replacing.
And that's supposed to go back there in the same spot?
No, we just got to find a new home.
Alright.
That's the problem with all this. It's the same thing with my headlight, man. Like when it comes to my headlight, the way I dealt with it, because you know it went from a regular bulb to a LED converter, so it came with a box and all that. I put it behind it, pushed it in, screwed it on.
So this one, we're gonna put big things in small places. Power Commander, ground, we got it fitting right beside the battery. Going to run the wires here, put the bracket back on top, and they should be snug and out of the way. Now this is your ground, and it's going to go on the battery here.
Right.
So I'll leave it on this side when we do it. Replaced, bypassed. Now, let's work on these and get that spaghetti squared away. The ignition coil, you're going to take the green colored wires in line on the left side of the ignition coil, as per the instructions, and these are the green pair. These obviously are going to be the blue pair. So the green, go to the left. Blue, go to the right. Those instructions are just off the chain. Alright, so I'm looking for the current position sensor.
That was easy.
And I'm not seeing it where it's supposed to be, which is supposed to be coming here, as per instrucciones. This is the last plug we got to do. This is the only plug I see. The white one. And that's definitely not it. As you can see, because they don't match. So this one is one place, and it's on this side. One thing. Hold on a second. Hey, I'm on the rider's right side. Somebody's playing games with me. You know what? Dude, that's not cool.
What's that?
It's right there the whole damn time up front. I'm looking back here behind the engine. It's in front of the engine the whole time.
Did they put it in the back?
No, I was looking in the wrong spot. Got it plugged in. routed the wire pretty nice. Everything up around throttle body is good to go. Running back. So this is the color. It is going to look nice. It's going to look real nice. And now to putting it on. Ooh.
Okay, let's hope nothing goes wrong. That's a good sign.
Lights are on.
That's a good sign. You want to see that headlight me and Terry fixed?
Yeah.
Actually, that's just the regular. Have to turn it on. All right, baby. Be good to me, guys. Oh, my kick sign's down. I have to put her in neutral. All right, come on, baby.